Okay, so let's start with saving. So how do we save? So on Pixlr, when you're done with this, you go save and you get your options. JPEG, which is a very popular file type. PNG, that's mostly for web design or for mostly we're gonna be using that if there is a silhouette. If you have silhouettes that you just want, for example, if I had removed the background and I only wanted the flamingo, that would be a good way to, that would be an excellent choice for PNGs. Web is for web design, because when you push things on the web, if you're a web designer, you don't want to have a lot of weight. And PXT is the native file of Pixlr, is your work in progress, is the one that's gonna be editable. When you save it in any of this file, the file is what they call is flat, so you cannot see anything that you have worked on. If you have any work in progress, any layers or anything that you are halfway, you cannot, you're gonna have to start again. So it's not edited. You'll have to start again. If you have, it's more important you have layers. So if you have layers, if you save it and use these files, it's gonna be flat, you're not gonna see layers. Here you can control the quality a little bit. So you can also see the image width. It's gonna give you the size here so you can play around. If you're gonna maybe email it to somebody, you wanna see the size here. You can also lower the quality because for some pictures, the higher quality doesn't really add anything. So you can lower the quality a little bit so your file size goes a little bit lower. And here you can work on the size of the pixels. And then you download it. And that's gonna be a JPEG. Same thing here on Photoshop. Where did it go? My Photoshop is behind. Right here, you're gonna go to File, Save As, save it to your computer. And here you have all these other options. So you have JPEGs, all kind of JPEGs. You have your Photoshop, work in progress, you have PNGs. You have TIFF that is used a lot in printing to preserve more quality, it's a larger file. So you have a lot more options than Pixlr. You can see BMP has a larger file. So you can choose JPEG and then you choose where you want to save it. And it's gonna say save, you click save, and then it's gonna ask you the quality. So here, after you click save, it's gonna give you more choices, so you can increase the quality, make it a little larger or lower. You can choose the algorithm for compression if you have a preference. Let's see, you can, this is for PNGs, if you want to change the background. So you can play with this and it gives you the file size, and you can also see the preview. So if I lower it, where is the preview? So it's gonna give me this, but I don't quite, this is a very good picture, so I can't really tell if, see the foreground color, we don't have a silhouette. This is for files that have silhouette. So I just click here, okay. And now it's gonna be saved as a JPEG. So then you can open it in another picture. So this is the one we saved, this one, this is the one we just did. And where is the other one? Maybe it's on the desktop. And 740, oh, this is the one for JPEG. This is the one Photoshop. So this is the one from Photoshop and this is the one from Pixlr. So they are both JPEG, but we use different compression. And also I think Photoshop is just a little bit better, but I think Pixlr is just good enough. If depends what you have. Yeah, one is, yeah, it's if you're an artist, you know, depends what you do, what you want. You'll have your preference. It's just working on it and having your preferences. Okay, so I've gone through what I wanted to do today with you guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. Next time